Alright, so the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic? Yeah, it's coming, and it's bringing a whole new vibe with it. Samsung's expected to drop this one alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 during their usual summer Unpacked event. If they stick to their usual playbook, like they did last year with the Watch 7, we're probably looking at a July launch. Now let's talk about that design because, it's got people split. The Watch 8 Classic is rumored to have this new squircle shape. Yep, that weird love child of a square and a circle. Think of it as a toned-down version of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Still premium, just not yelling, "I climb mountains before breakfast." Some people are already side-eyeing it, and I get it. Change is weird, but think about it. When Samsung launched the original Galaxy Fold in 2019, people were skeptical. High price, durability issues, and it kind of felt like a gimmick. Now, foldables are legit, even if they're still pricey. And Apple's no stranger to controversial changes either. They've had their fair share of you'll get used to it moments, like with the barely used camera control button on the iPhone 16 series. At first, everyone was like, why? But at this point, it's just part of the phone and no one really cares anymore. Anyway, back to the watch. The rotating bezel's making a comeback, and for fans of the classic line, that's basically Samsung giving you a high five. That smooth, tactile spin to scroll through apps and settings, way better than trying to tap tiny icons with your sausage fingers. Leaks also mention a new 47mm version, a quick button, and stronger haptics, so your notifications won't feel like they're politely whispering anymore. No detailed specs yet, so I won't waste your time with wild guesses, just know this is shaping up to be one of those love it or slowly warm up to it kind of launches. Alright, that's all I've got for now. Squircle designs, spinny bezels, and the usual dose of tech drama. Catch you in the next one. Peace.